Despite a sharp decline in oil prices this month, closing today at around $80 a barrel, two of the nation's biggest oil companies managed to increase profits last quarter. So how did Chevron and Exxon Mobil do it? Bertha Coombs has the story.
Exxon's profit in the third quarter was $8 billion, up 3% from a year ago, while Chevron's net rose 13%. The two oil giants don't expect their overall profits to take a hit in 2014 despite falling oil prices, and they plan to maintain production levels. Trader Anthony Grisanti says for now they can.
Really, it depends on how long oil prices stay at very low levels. If it's a sustained period, say 6 to 12 months, then you're going to have major problems as far as production goes.
The near 20% oil price collapse over the last 4 months has put pressure on oil producers worldwide. But for integrated energy firms like Exxon and Chevron, cheaper oil means lower costs and better profits on gasoline production. Exxon's refining unit's earnings rose nearly 40% during the quarter, even as prices at the pump also came down.
Right now, the benefits of the consumer far outweigh the detriments to any oil company or any of the oil majors.
Analysts at Goldman Sachs say some of the major U.S. oil producers have another advantage to weather lower crude prices: the boom in shale oil production. Increasing efficiency and improved technology of on-land drilling operations means they can still profit at lower prices in 2015.
There's some shale that is relatively low cost, and then there's high cost shale out there. The average of it is somewhere around $80 a barrel. We argue that you will have to get down in the second quarter $70 a barrel.
Analysts say for OPEC and other oil producers outside of North America, production costs are higher, and there's less flexibility to try to combat falling prices.
They only have one card left, and that is to cut production. And I think they're afraid to play that card right now because that might not be the price spike that they need.
And even as the price of oil has fallen, OPEC has also held the course on its production levels, although there are rising calls within the cartel for a cut when the group meets at its next meeting at the end of November. Bertha Coombs, Nightly Business Report, New York.